Hello and welcome. In Feb 2023, when 49th GST Council meeting was held, the Council had recommended amnesty schemes. Now, amnesty is a kind of relief or waiver. To give effect to this recommendation, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) has come up with several notifications. And this scheme is now popularly known as GST Amnesty Scheme 2023. In today's video, we are going to talk about one such notification, and this is about restoring your cancelled GST registration. That is, if your GST registration is cancelled because you have not filed your GST returns, then here is an opportunity for you to make your GST registration once again active. So in today's video, we are going to talk about this in detail. First, let us see who can take benefit of this amnesty scheme. Any GST registered person, whether you are a regular taxpayer or a composition taxpayer, if your registration is cancelled because you have not filed your GST returns, GSTR1 or GSTR3B if you are a regular taxpayer, or GSTR4 if you are a composition taxpayer, and so on. You can make use of this amnesty scheme even if you have not filed application to revoke this cancellation. That is, if you don't file GST returns for a specified tax period, then the GST officer would issue you a cancellation order. Against this order, you can file application to revoke this cancellation, that is, to cancel the cancellation. So even if you have not filed this application, you can still take benefit of this amnesty scheme. Or let's say you had filed this application and this application was rejected, or let's say you had appealed against the rejection order or the cancellation order itself and that appeal got rejected because time limit is over. Even in that situation, you can take benefit of this amnesty scheme. For this, your GST registration should have been cancelled on or before 31st December 2022. That is, the effective date of cancellation is on or before 31st December 2022. Now, if you are not sure how to find this effective date of cancellation, you have two options. One is to check the cancellation order itself, and here is the effective date of cancellation. Alternatively, you may use search taxpayer functionality on the GST portal and check the effective date of cancellation. If you would like to know how to use this functionality, you may consider watching my earlier video, the link in the top right corner. If you fulfill these requirements, then you are eligible for this amnesty scheme. If you are eligible, let us now see what do you have to do. This is a two-step process. First, you need to file your pending GST returns. Say for example, if you are a regular taxpayer, then you need to file your GSTR1 and GSTR3B from the tax period for which you have not filed returns till the effective date of cancellation. For instance, if the effective date of cancellation of your GST registration is 30th September 2022, and you have not filed GST returns from 1st Jan 2022, then you need to file your GSTR1 or GSTR3B if you are a regular taxpayer from Jan to September 2022. If there is any tax liability, then you need to pay tax along with interest, penalty and late fee as applicable for this tax period. Now, step 2. Once you complete step 1, you need to file application to revoke cancellation of GST registration. And once this application is processed, your GST registration would once again be active. But the last date to complete both these steps is 30th June 2023. So if you want to make use of this amnesty scheme and make your GST registration once again active, then ensure that you complete both these steps within 30th June 2023. This is all I have for you today. Hope the video was informative. Thank you for watching.